Well, I did use a little bit of sip of water on this second light, and that made a huge difference. The thing just slides in and out perfectly. It did slide in and out anyway, perfectly easily. I didn't use much. So that made that plausible and easy. So I've been rather sick. You know, this one, I don't want to keep battling with it. So I think I'm just going to cut the wires off and wrap it around and be done. I don't think I'm going to try and unwrap this thing. That might make it pretty sloppy though. All right, maybe I will try and unwrap this thing. The old wire. See how far I get. Looks like I've got some crud on the meter right there, some crud right there. This other one doesn't have much crud. You can make these things even dirtier trying to fix them, right? Make them even worse by putting a rag on these. I actually don't want to even clean them if I can avoid it. I'm not feeling well, sorry. So I want to get this off of here. Yeah, I think the meters is part of the point of pride of these radios. People like watching the meters because they give a little visual indication of what's going on. There we go. Okay, that came off. No problemo. What about this side? Boy, I can smell plastic burning. Must be the plastic right there. Not sure what I hit to get that so dirty, but hopefully not plastic in here somewhere. It looks like I do keep hitting plastic. Not sure why. Can't see enough. Yeah, so I keep hitting the meter. I'm not going to bother with this anymore. I'm just going to solder it on there. I guess I can't tell depth-wise what I'm doing with this thing. So, with that the case, just going to cut that wire off. I don't need to destroy these meters. Trying to fix them. This light though is a headache. You want it to work, but it's like, do you want to go through all this work changing it? I guess I figured the radio wouldn't last that long. I don't know. All right, so again, we try and put the light between the two posts. Looks pretty good there. we go. It's not so even again. I keep overshooting one side of it. And it's hard to get corrected. Let's try it like this. That's not too good either. So with needle nose pliers, you can keep rolling down this connection until it's right. Get some slack that way. All right, I hope that's enough of it. This work is tiny enough that it's sort of irritating. Actually, the relays in this video were irritating also because they're small. All right, that's enough to get that one side tacked on. It's not a beauty queen, but maybe push it down a little more. Nope, it's fine. It's not going to win awards, but I'm not looking for awards. I'm looking for light. All right, minimal soldering. Enough to get a good connection. That's enough. Let's get the other side on. I guess the Japanese, when they built this, they kind of made the solder beautiful. The joints look perfect. That's enough. I'm not going to wrap it around in case I want to get this off again. I want them to come off easily. And that's all I'm going to do on that one. Terrible. All right. Am I being lazy? Maybe. Okay, so inspect it. It's not going to come off. Looks good. Now we're going to trim. Turn off the soldering iron. Trim these wires and call it a day. That one's trimmed. Not very neatly, but it's trimmed. This is sort of like show solder because you want things are visible here, so you want them to be nice and neat. I'm not sure if those pegs are visible or not, but there we are. Okay, and now it might be time to make sure the light is positioned well with the meter. The way it seemed like it went was the light would be parallel with the bottom of the meter face. And push it up a little bit. Yep, it looks good. All right, so yeah, it's not a show job, but we want the light to work. So let's give it a little try. I'm gonna put this napkin under the meter. So we'll hit things and short out. Look for wires and hit things. I can actually just hold it up in my hand and make sure it doesn't hit anything. All right, I'm holding the meter. It doesn't look like it's hitting anything. All right, we're not hitting any circuitry. Gonna plug the plug in the back of this thing. Turn off the work light here. Let's turn on the power. And what happened? Looks like we got some meter lights. So that went well. You can see we got some lights. So now it's just a chance to clean the meter up a little bit, make sure nothing got mudged or bent, and put it back together and enjoy the lights. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.